to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Hello and welcome back to the ITSM Practice. I'm Luigi Ferri. In every organization, there is a growing tension. People are busy. Projects are delivered. Budgets are spent. But then someone quietly asks, yes, but where is the value? Not the hours, not the dashboards, the real strategic value. Today, we explore the rise of the Value Management Office or VMO. And we ask, what changes when we stop managing activities and start managing outcomes? Let's find out. What is a VMO and why now? A Value Management Office is not just a rebranded PMO. It's a strategic function that aligns everything, projects, services, investments, with one core purpose: to deliver value continuously and visibly. According to the ITIL framework, a VMO built on the service value system becomes a mechanism for translating a strategy into impact, prioritizing what actually matters, creating partnerships with the stakeholders, not just service agreements. And in uncertain environments, that clarity is more than useful, it's essential. ITIL 4 brings the foundation of the modern VMO. The strength of ITIL 4 lies in its service value system, a model that defines how all parts of an organization should interact to co-create value. The SVS includes guiding principles such as focus on value, progress iteratively, collaborate, etc., etc. Governance, clear decision authority and performance monitoring. Value chain activities, plan, engage, design, build, deliver, improve. Practices like portfolio management, continual improvement, etc. And, of course, continual improvement as a built-in habit. This system is what turns a VMO from an office into a value engine. How we can design the VMO across the 4 dimensions of ITIL. The document outlines how to shape the VMO using the 4 dimensions of service management. Let's explore each. Organizations and people. The VMO must enterprise-wide, not hidden under IT. It needs diverse roles, strategies, analysts, facilitators, and most of all, it needs a culture shift from delivery to value realization. Information and technology. VMO success depends on good data. Repositories, dashboards, automation tools, they are not optional, but they must serve one goal: informing decisions about value. Partners and suppliers. Vendors aren't just cost centers, they can be co-creators. The VMO monitors vendor impact on outcomes, not just SLAs. It encourages mutual improvement and strategic alignment. And the last one, value streams and processes. Every process should map to a value stream. The VMO applies value stream mapping to reduce waste, improve flow, and raise stakeholder satisfaction. It uses lean thinking, but with service value as its anchor. Let's pause here. Value stream mapping is where the VMO proves its worth. It does three things: maps the current state from customer request to final outcome, designs the future state faster, cleaner, more valuable, guides implementation with clear metrics and change plans. The 6 value chain activities from ITIL, plan, engage, design and transition, obtain, build, deliver and support, improve, can all be mapped. This reveals delays and solves gaps and opportunities that ordinary project reporting misses. It's about flowing value to where it matters most. Metrics that reflect value, not just motion. Traditional metrics track effort. How many tasks, how many tickets, how many releases, how much spent. But a VMO asks what changed for the stakeholder. The document highlights these value-based metrics: customer satisfaction and productivity, cost avoidance and revenue uplift, strategic alignment scorecards, improvement initiative impact, capability maturity progression. VMOs shift focus from activity to outcome, from quantity to quality, and that changes how the board listens to IT. In 2020, I sat in on a strategic review. The C-suite had invested in a digital transformation. Millions were spent. Teams delivered fast. Technology looked modern. But when the chief executive officer asked, okay, how has our ability to serve clients improved? Silence. Not because no one had worked, but because no one had measured value. That's what a VMO prevents. It gives us a language, data, and structure to answer the only question that matters. Now, implementation. 3 phases without shortcuts. The documents in the episode description outline a phased roadmap for VMO implementation. Phase 1, foundation. Alliance leaders, define the mission, build the initial team, establish core governance. Phase 2, capability building. Integrate with the service management, introduce tools for mapping, tracking, and reporting. Train for new behaviors. Phase 3, optimization. Apply advanced analytics. Introduce automation where appropriate. Mature your continual improvement cycle. Align the VMO tightly with the strategic planning. This is a journey, not a plug-and-play function. But the payoff is a system that tells you clearly and continuously where value lives. If you are considering a value management office, ask yourself, do we know which investments deliver value or just which are on time? Are we managing work or are we managing worth? What would change if every initiative had to show its value before, during, and after? Thank you. This was the ITSM practice. I'm Luigi Ferri, and as always, chase clarity, not complexity. Measure what matters, deliver what lasts. Arrivederci.